friends. Today's video is made with extensive research. I have included links to the best products in the description box below, which is update for variation in demand. Like, comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's start now. A ASUS ROG Strix SCAR 15 gaming laptop. Screen size 15.6 2560 x 1440 pixel, 300 Hz, IPS, Full HD display. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti. CPU model Intel Core i9-12900H. RAM size 16 GB, DDR5. Hard disk size 1 TB, SSD. Per key R, G, B keyboard. Operating system Windows 11 Home. Is driven by. For user convenience, on this laptop you will find two USB Gen 1 ports and an audio jack port on the left side. At the back of the laptop are Thunderbolt 4 port, USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 port, HDMI 2.1 port, LAN port, and power plug. This ASUS ROG Strix SCAR 15 laptop keyboard has its own 4-color light that will give you innovation, and with which you can use it very well even in the dark. The keyboard is big enough for comfortable typing. ASUS ROG Strix SCAR 15 gaming laptop uses a 15.6 inches Full HD IPS LED backlit display with 16:9 aspect ratio. Features an incredibly fast 144 Hz refresh rate. These laptop lenses prevent harmful LI reflections, which will give you clear and vivid picture. For this reason, these laptops are more preferred by gamers. Thanks to those who like clear pictures. Currently, ASUS is a top local brand. So by using this laptop, your taste and personality will increase more than ever in society's mind. For details, or to purchase this laptop, please click on the link given below. Friends, the video, if you like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching the video.